7.3 to talk about how to convert doc extension to docx. So same as what we did, XLS convert to XLSX. We cannot use Python-docx, but we can use Win32com library. So let's remember, just a recap in our chapter 6, 6-12, we did this XLS to XLS. So we import OS, import this client, and define our XLS to XLS path, this function. Then we will check whether it's absolute the path, whether the file exists, whether the type is XLS. So if that all okay, then we will start to create the document, use the Word Excel application to open the Excel file. Now we will use the same way to Word application. So before you use this function, you need to ensure your Office installed, then this Word doc application is there. So primarily, I think it is exactly the same. So that's I will copy this to our chapter 3. So let's create our folder. Call this doc to docx. So from here, let me copy and change this doc to docx. So we can use this to modify. So starting from the first import is the same, and we will change our function name. So doc to docx, and the print path is the same. And then if not, OS path is absolute, because this one can only deal with absolute, the full path. So it cannot use the non-full path. So we will see not absolute path. If this path is exist, so that's also same. We will see path is not exist, because our full path is including the file. So we put, maybe we change, leave it. And the path split extension. So the second element of split extension will be the extension. So now we are check is DOC instead of XLS. Then not DOC. So we will use over the error handling message. And then all these are checking passed. Then we will see to open the Word using Word document to initialize from this client. And then app.display alert, same is go to false. And the workbook now is, we will change that as the document. Document is not the workbook, so it's documents and open path. So we have document, and we will load save as. That's the same command, but we will now use document, save as, and to OS path split extension. Then path with the first element is the full path without file name, without the extension. And then we will use this save to docx. So this docx is not 51, it's 12. So and then document close. And we quit from the application. Then file is our current doc. So let's create a doc and make this. Let's go to our folder. So here we have moved to 7.3, and I create new. You can see here I can create a documents. So test, and then make our, it's again opened by WPS. Let's ensure so also this extension also choose Word. this test for doc to docx. Actually, it's not important because we don't make this open. So let's just have a look. You can see our Office Viewer doesn't support this DOC, so we need to convert that. And then the full path. So let's see here, CD. Remember we can use our first part to do this one. So 7.2 new create the save, I think we did this one. So import OS. So let's also have that. Let's import OS already, and then we do all days. So from all days we get our full path, and then full path here until here. So let's copy this, put that into our reusable part here. So let me make that indent. So we don't need this line. Don't need to print. We don't need to print. And our full path will be join this, and we have our test doc. So we are now in CD and CD7-3. So this is our current the directory. So we will not use this hard coding. We will use the file is the full path. So full path is our file. So we just transfer the full path there. So this we don't need to print as well. So what we will use is doc to docx. So this is our internal coding. So let's see. So we have our test doc. So we have this one, and what we will not create our directory. So this one we can make that. If we put that here, empty. Let's see. File not found. So we don't need this directory. So let's comment that. And what we will have is target dir. This also can be put in here, and we don't need this. And we are copy this. If we have our subfolder, then we will use that. But now we just need to combine these two. So all of them we can just leave comments. So actually this one and get the path, and then we put this work path combined to the file. Then file not found. So it's this one. So our current work path is not this one. So let's move to the part 2. I think it's we are in part 2 and chapter 7-3. So now we can run this. So you can see it's running, generate our docx, and this docx are able to be viewed by our the viewer, the plugin. So this one is just I tried to explain more than this one. So actually you can use this sample with the absolute the path easily, hard coding here, or you can try to get the absolute path from this OS get CWD is the current work directory, and then to combine with your file name to get this complete path. then you can just transfer this full path to our function. So I skip this dir because I don't want to create a subfolder. But from now on, you can see if you have our old document, you can use this doc to docx as our tool to convert that to the docx. But that is only the way is we do this from Python. If you have a Word, actually you can open that document in Word and simply save as to our docx through changing the extension. So that is give the same result. Okay, so that's all for this 7.3. So next video we will move to the paragraphs and we see how many videos we will deal with the paragraph, the detail properties for those. See you then. Bye.